Hi guys, my name is Nazila Ahlani Shifani Urha. Here I will analyze the text sentence structure: simple, compound, complex, compound, complex. Here are some examples of each type of sentence along with explanation of how they are formed. The first, simple sentence. Here are some examples. See at lunch. The subject is see. The verb is at and the object is lunch. The car drove on the road. The subject is the car. The verb is drove and the complement is on the road. On this day I had my test. The subject is I. The verb is had and the object is my test. The part on Tuesday is an adverbial modifier that tells when the action happened. He likes to read books. The subject is he. The verb is likes and the object is to read books. The infinitive part to read books acts as a noun that tells what he likes. They went to the park. The subject is they, the verb is went, and the complement is to the park. The prepositional part to the park acts as an adverb that tells where they went. Second, compound sentence. Here are some examples. She ate lunch, but she was still hungry. The first independent clause is she ate lunch, and the second independent clause is she was still hungry. They are joined by the coordinating conjunction but which show contrast. He sat down and he read a book. The first independent clause is he sit down, and the second independent clause is he read a book. They are joined by the coordinating conjunction and which show addition. It was rainy, so we stay inside. The first independent clause is it was rainy, and the second independent clause is we stayed inside. They are joined by the coordinating conjunction, so which show cause and effect. We can order food or we can cook something. This first independent clause is we can order food and the second independent clause is we can cook something. They are joined by the coordinating conjunction or which show choice. She doesn't like seafood nor does she like chili. The first independent clause is she doesn't like seafood, and the second independent clause is she doesn't like cherry. They are joined by the coordinating conjunction nor which show negative correlation. Third, complex sentence. Here are some examples. I did not go to the meeting because I was sick. The independent clause is I did not go to the meeting, and the dependent clause is because I was sick. The dependent clause is introduced by the subordinating conjunction because which show the reason for the action in the independent clause. Thought you might be wrong. I cannot say. The independent clause is I cannot say, and the dependent clause is thought you may be wrong. The dependent clause is introduced by the subordinating conjunction thought which show concession or contrast. He worked hard day and night as he did not wish to fail. The independent clause is he worked hard day and night, and the dependent clause is as he did not wish to fail. The dependent clause is introduced by the subordinating conjunction as which show the purpose or reason for the action in the independent clause. The student went home when the examination ended. The independent clause is the student went home, and the dependent clause is when the examination, and the dependent clause is introduced by the subordinating conjunction when, which show the time of the action in the independent clause. Their progress was slow because they were tired. The independent clause is their progress was slow, and the dependent clause is because they were tired. The dependent clause is introduced by the subordinating conjunction because we saw the cause of the situation in the independent clause. For compound and complex sentence, here are some examples. She was tired and she was still hungry even though she had eaten lunch. The first independent clause is she was tired. The second independent clause is she was still hungry. And the dependent clause is even though she had eaten lunch. The independent clause are joined by the coordinating conjunction, and the dependent clause is introduced by the subordinating conjunction even though we saw contrast. He was late for work, so he took a taxi which was very expensive. The first independent clause is he was late for work. The second independent clause is he took a taxi, and the dependent clause is which was very expensive. The independent clause are joined by the coordinating conjunction, and the dependent clause is introduced by the relative pronoun which modifies the noun taxi. She loves to travel, but she hates flying, especially when there is turbulence. The first independent clause is she loves to travel. The second independent clause is she hates flying, and the dependent clause is when there is turbulence. The independent clause are joined by the coordinating conjunction, and the dependent clause is introduced by the subordinating conjunction when, which modifies the verb flying. I think that all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.